Alright fellas, I'm doing this video looking for some help out there. You train guys who know a lot more than me, that's for sure. Picked up this Marx 400 locomotive with a box lot, okay? As you can see, it's the 400. Very, very rough shape. The motor was actually falling out of it, and you can see the person who had it before me actually hot glued around trying to hold it in there, I guess. Rough shape, although the shell is actually in pretty good shape, no cracks at all, actually quite good shape. But anyway, the motor was falling out of it. I took it out, and this is what we got, okay, and it does not run, okay, it does not run at all, zero, okay. So I know very little about electronics. I really don't. Electricity, yes, but electronics, no. And so I need help with this, okay? Now when I pulled the engine out of the shell, this little spring here fell out, okay? Now looking closely at the engine, I can see on the top there is a similar spring right there, okay? Going to that brass circular piece in the middle. Now on the bottom one, the spring is not there, so I'm assuming that's where the spring fell out of. There's the tag there where the spring would sit on, I'm assuming, and this spring is wrapped around the tag, and the wire, I don't know if you can see it, but it goes into that brass fitting there. So I'm assuming that's what happened. That fell off of there, and that is probably the main issue. I have no power at all, nothing, okay? Now, just fooling around with it a little bit. I take an alligator clip, I put the alligator clip right to the power of the track, and the power is on, okay? Getting a buzz here. This wire is coming from the top brass fitting. Okay, I'm getting a buzz there. I'm getting nothing on the bottom one. Okay, nothing. And I touch that bottom brass, where I'm assuming that bottom spring came out of. However, if I take the alligator clip and I clip it to that wire, and I touch the bottom one, bear with me here, I'm working one-handed here, I get the buzz. So, no idea what the hell's going on. I honestly don't. I'm not trying to bullshit anybody here. I don't know nothing about these. Okay, but just the fact I'm hearing that buzz makes me think it's just a matter of a bad connection. I'm thinking it's a silly little fix, bad connection. Someone knows what they're doing, and have this thing running probably in 2 minutes. But I don't know what I'm doing, admittedly, and so I need help. So, the other thing I noticed was the bottom brass connector plate. It connects to the center rail. I noticed when I push up on it, it's very loose. Like the rivet in the middle is almost worn out. Okay. Don't know if that's part of the issue too. Not sure, but just noticed that. Anyway, show the other side of the engine. That's the gear mechanism, obviously. Okay. Now I looked online for the 400, and some of the things I read said they had a smoker. I don't believe this unit had a smoker. I don't know. Looking at the shell, obviously the hole is there for a smoker to come through, but there is a light in there. There is a light, but it wasn't connected at all. I don't see no smoker unit. So anyway, this thing looks so simple and easy to work on, but if you don't have the knowledge, you're in the dark, and that's where I am right now. So I need help, guys. Somebody tell me how to get this baby running, because I don't think it's all as terrible as it looks. So I'm really thinking the culprit is that spring right there somehow, from that bottom connected here. I don't know. I honestly just don't know. Alright, so waiting to here's some information here. Thanks for watching, guys. Book 'em, Dano.